Hey anyone, I just got a US phone number in Texas, but from here in Oz. In the unlikely event that I get this video finished and up on YouTube, here we go. It's my first video up here since about January 2013. It's a call to a Kraken crypto scam. The scam is obviously from the South Asian sort of, Indian subcontinent. So I guess they're Indian or Pakistani. I'm almost certain I've spoken with the first guy, Jerry, before, when I was sort of in the fun guy, wacky family thing. The initial call was to an 808 number. The difference between the subcontinental approach and the London crypto creeps is that the Hindustani scammers were persistent, but they didn't pretend to be from my cold wallet company like the London ones were. Wish me luck anyway. One day my channel might be worth subscribing to, so why not get in now before the rush? Now I don't know what I'm doing, so let's get on with it.
Hi, thank you for calling. How can I help you?
I got a message saying that there was something transaction on my Kraken account, and I don't have a Kraken account, so I thought I'd ring you to find out what's happening.
Okay, so you never had any crypto account?
Oh yeah, I've had crypto accounts. I've never had Kraken.
Okay, but you have crypto.com account, right?
Well, I've used exchanges, and I've had to open accounts with those exchanges when I use them. But
No, but is there
yeah.
any active exchange that you're currently using right now?
No, I all my holdings. I'm using a Cake wallet.
Like
So I'm storing my own keys.
Okay. Can I have your first and last name? I'll just check it in the database, and I can just like check the account details with that account scene. What is your first and last name?
Yeah, first name is Jeff, Geoff. My last name is Green, Green.
I got it. And can you describe me the text message again? What exactly in the message it's written?
Let me have a look and see if I can find it. Hang on a minute. Sorry about this.
That's fine. Take it on.
Where is it? Yeah, here we go. No, that's not it. Hang on, I'll find it. Is that it? No. I'm sorry, what's your name?
My name is Jerry.
Jerry? Hi, Jerry. Here
Did you
somewhere.
receive the message today?
Here we go. Kraken. Verification code is required to complete your pending withdrawal request. If you do not request this transaction, please call, and then it has your number.
Can you confirm the number that has been written over there?
The verification code, it's 6194. What? Oh, the phone number?
Yep.
Yeah, it's what was it? 808. Hang on, I got rid of that. 808.
Okay. Give me one moment. I have forwarded your details to our accounts team. Maybe you had an account earlier, but you haven't made any transactions in that. But maybe someone was trying to misuse it. But still, we
Uh-huh.
will check that for you, and someone from the accounts team will give you a call back in the next 5 to 10 minutes. And
Okay.
just don't mind me asking, you don't remember like if you had set up an account like maybe a year ago or maybe 6 months ago, and you don't reckon right now
Do you mean with Kraken?
with Kraken? That's right.
Look, I might have. I'm sorry. Uh, if it's like a year ago, I've probably forgotten. I have sort of opened various accounts, sometimes to buy, uh, and I only deal in Bitcoin. Um, Sometimes to buy, sometimes to see what the process is with that exchange and see what their rates are. And I may not have bought. So I may have opened a Kraken account, but then not really done anything with it, not used any Bitcoin, bought any Bitcoin.
Because you said that you already stored your crypto in a hard wallet. So maybe you remember that if you have set up a Kraken account and made a transaction
Yeah,
through
no,
through that wallet or onto that wallet.
I don't think I did. I've uh, the accounts I've used are Bitstamp, Swissquote,
Bits
and
bits
Coinbase.
and okay. Which which hard wallet are you using right now? I can see
Uh,
if there is any transfer in there. I'll let you know.
Cake, Cake,
It's
Cake
a hard
wallet.
wallet, right?
No, I think it's a soft wallet. What it is, I have a phone that doesn't have a SIM card. It's like air gapped, I guess. It doesn't
Okay,
connect
it's a cake
to
wallet.
Wi-Fi. Yeah, and
I get it now.
and then I have on my computer and so that's a Cake Vault, cupcake, and then on my computer I have a Cake wallet.
On your computer, you have which wallet?
A Cake wallet, the hot wallet, the
The cake wallet.
the
Okay,
watch
got it.
only wallet. Yeah.
Not an issue, sir. But still, you just allow us some time. Just let me see with the help. Can you help me with the email address as well?
Yeah. My email address is jeff.com.
Okay, number one at .com, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Okay. So just allow us some time to work on it. I'll just confirm from the accounts team what's going on. If there is any account under your name, I apologize. We'll remove the identity, and you'll be receiving a copy for the closure of the account as well. But allow us some time to work on it. Someone from the accounts team will reach you back with the relevant information. And can you confirm the message that you have received? Is there any amount mentioned in there in USD, like $500, $1,000, $2,000, or there's no
No,
amount that is in
no, it was just saying something about a pending withdrawal.
your withdrawal is pending? Okay,
Yeah,
that's fine.
let me tell
Just
you
allow us some
exactly.
time.
Um, yeah, I needed to ring this number to verify a pending withdrawal request
That's
and
fine.
to
Just allow us some time. As I said,
okay.
go ahead.
Yeah, that's okay. So, are you going to stay on the line, or is someone going to ring me back?
No, someone's gonna ring you back on the same number, 346.
Yep, that's it. Okay.
Thank you,
Oh,
sir. Thank you so much for your time.
I'll stand by. I've definitely spoken to the Jerry before. What a slime ball. Someone called Mike is going to call back from the same number. He'll sound a bit hesitant. I think he's checking me out, but I'll win him over with my reptilian charm and my endearing incompetence, which I don't have to fake. but I must pass because he's going to ask me to ring him back on his extension. It's a 234 number.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, this is Mike calling from Kraken. Hi, how are you?
I'm okay, Mike. I can hardly hear you. I'm not sure what's happening there. Can you speak up or something?
What is the issue you're facing with your Kraken? Could you please confirm me?
Oh yeah. I got a message. Sorry, it's Mike, is it? Did you say your name was Mike?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. I got a message saying that there was it gave me a verification code required to complete my pending withdrawal request, and if I didn't request it, I should call. And I called and spoke to Jerry, and he said that he would discuss it with someone and they'd call me back. So I guess that's you, yeah, Mike?
Okay, just do one thing.
Yeah.
I will take care of the things for you. First of all, please give me a call back on my extension that I was calling you from a minute ago, which is 234. Call me back on that number and ask
Yeah,
for
okay.
me,
I was
and I will
having
take care of
trouble.
this stuff.
I was having trouble answering that, but I'll try calling that number and see what happens. Okay.
Okay,
Here I go.
thank you.
I fumbled the VoIP on my computer and it wouldn't work, and Mike eventually had to ring me from his extension, the 234 number, and I ended up having to answer with the VoIP on my phone instead of the computer, so it might sound a bit different. The plan is to thwart any attempts to access my presumed Bitcoin with my tricky arrangement of both buffer and storage, hot and cold wallets, 4 in all. All quite boring, sadly. Anyway, none shall come to the storage wallet except through the buffer. So here comes Mike.
Hello.
How are you? This is Mike calling from Kraken.
Yeah, hi Mike. Yeah, I did call you, but it didn't get through. It said you weren't available.
No
Okay,
issues,
yeah.
no issues. Uh-huh. And when did you receive that text message?
Look, I found it on the phone this morning when I got up. I think it must have come yesterday.
Okay, let me do one thing. Let me connect your cell phone with the Kraken server, do the verification and verify the things, and only then I can let you know what next you need to do. And if there is anything wrong, I will take care of the things for you as well.
So
I have
what?
sent you an email to join your support.
An email. Okay, let me have a look.
I just sent you the email.
Yep. I'm going to look for it.
And open that email on the same cell phone on which you received the text message. Okay.
Well, I'll check the email first.
Mhm. You should have received an email from Kraken to join your support.
Here we go. Kraken notification, zohoassist.com.
Yes.
So,
Install that application.
okay. What's the plan? I don't quite understand why you want to connect to my phone. Can you explain
First
that to
thing
me?
I need to validate that text message. Okay. if that is real, that if you received it from Kraken only, or if someone just spammed you with that message and try to get into the accounts. Okay, and
But
first of
I
all, I will be validating it.
and why would I worry about this? I don't have a Kraken account. I don't think I've really had a Kraken account. And I don't think I need to do anything, do I? I'm not really at risk. My Bitcoin's not at risk because I have it
So
all
if
in a cake wallet.
let me tell you,
Yeah, tell
let
me.
me tell you something. Okay,
Yeah,
even if you are saving your bitcoins in the Cake wallet or into the Kraken, into the Crypto.com, Coinbase, any crypto wallets, okay, any crypto exchange, all are part of the same blockchain, okay. If
yeah,
they have the access of any of your one exchange, it means they can have the access of all of your wallets or all of your exchanges, because all are part of the same blockchain. If you make any transaction via Kraken, via Crypto.com, via Coinbase, via Cake Wallet, via Trust Wallet, anything, okay?
yeah,
All those transactions get verified on the same blockchain. There's
yeah,
only one source where all of them will be validated, okay? They directly or indirectly part of the same blockchain. If they have the access of any one of your exchange, it means they have the access of all of your exchanges. That is the reason
No,
we need to
what?
validate the things.
That can't be right. They don't have access to my Cake account where I have my keys stored. They may be able to
So,
find out. They may be able to find out what my holdings are, but they can't access those holdings. How would they do that? Can you look? You, can you just give me an example of what the threat is? Here. I am. I have my
okay,
uh,
let me tell you.
cupcake.
Let me tell you.
I have my
If
cupcake
you make an
cold wallet.
account,
I have my cake. I have my Cake wallet. Watch only. I use a buffer wallet that I
uh,
accept from exchanges into, which is always empty. I then transfer. It actually
mm,
costs a bit more in fees, so I don't make small transactions because I don't want the
the
fees to be a
let me tell
significant
you.
part of the transaction. So I transfer it from my
Okay.
buffer wallet into my storage wallet, and somebody may, even if somebody could, and I can't see how they could get access to my buffer wallet, all they're going to see is an empty wallet with maybe they even if they could get to the keys change each time I do a different transaction, and they only give access to an empty holding, an empty wallet. So I don't think I have to worry about it. Surely, Can you actually see a
You know what
threat?
happens?
What?
Let me tell you what happens when you're making transactions from different exchanges also. All of those exchanges are verified with your driver's license. They
Say
all
that
are
again.
connected with
Can
the
you
same
say
driver's
that again?
license. That gives
I didn't hear what you said. Can you just go back to whenever you make a transaction with an exchange? What did you say after that?
all of those exchanges which are on your name, they are
Yeah.
connected with your same identity, with your same driver's license, okay? And this
Yep.
gives them the access that yes, all of these exchanges do belong to the same person, and all the transactions are going to the same wallet, okay? This is how they will be able to trace your transactions. Okay,
What?
so don't worry, as
Listen.
you are
My cold wallet isn't connected to my driver's license.
So that is not. But all of those transactions are coming from the same person's account. So don't worry, I will check it for you.
on various
Okay.
exchanges, yeah?
Where do you? Yes, various exchanges. They all are. They all belong to you, which are connected with the same driver's license. Okay, just tell me one
Yeah,
thing. On which
yeah.
device do you use your cold wallet? On the cell phone or on the laptop?
The cold wallet is on a cell phone.
Is on the cell phone. Okay.
Yep.
Do you have the access of that?
Yeah, it's here with me. Yeah, I can
And
actually
just
see
tell me
it.
one thing.
It's sitting on the desk.
Okay. And other than cell phone, do you have you ever connected your cold wallet with any other device, like on the laptop or any computer or any other cell phone on which you were using the same exchanges?
No, it's only ever communicated via a on the go USB. So I've sort of installed stuff on it. I just installed the cupcake thing on there. But no, it was an old phone, factory reset. Doesn't have a SIM.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't have Wi-Fi capability. Um, the only communication it has is via its camera and via its screen when it can display QR codes and it can read QR codes. I installed the Cupcake uh, cold
Mm-hmm.
wallet via an on the go USB drive. Yeah, so I
Mm-hmm.
think I think I think my cold wallet is safe. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So what I can do for you is, as you are a valuable customer, so I will connect with one of your device. You can do it on the cell phone or on the laptop, anyone, wherever you want. Okay. As he told me that you are using just watch only wallet on your computer, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's do it on the computer. I will check it for you.
Yeah. But that I mean
Are you in front of
I,
your
I
computer?
don't I don't I don't let people do that because I try to maintain a sort of a sterile digital environment wherever any of my crypto is concerned. Um, and yeah, and I deliberately moved it from the exchanges
You
in
first thing,
Luxembourg.
first thing which you need, first thing which you need to understand that you are not speaking with any third party organization. You are directly speaking with, okay, Kraken, okay, which
So
is a
you say,
reputed
yeah,
company is here to which is
yeah,
here
but
to
that,
help you. Or even you can see whatever we will be doing, you will be receiving all the emails. Even if I am asking you to get connected, for that also you have received email, right? So for that
yeah.
email, so whatever we will be doing, everything will be documented. It is
And
not something that there's a hidden thing between me and you.
what will you be doing then?
I will be just validating your account. I will be just able to see your account, and if I found anything wrong, if I found anything suspicious, I can let you know about that. I can fix it then and there so that everything will remain secured with you.
So when you say you'll be validating my account, you're hoping to connect to my hot wallet and somehow validate my hot wallet. I mean, it's just a series of public keys. What do you want to do with that? What do you mean validate it? What does that mean?
I will be validating the transactions. I will be able to validate the transactions. I will validate your wallet. Okay. If I found anything suspicious on that account, if I found any red flag over there, I will take care of that for you.
Well, I can validate the transactions by querying the blockchain. Surely, why do I need Kraken to look
Okay, just
into
tell,
my
okay, just log.
private holding?
Nothing. Okay, just tell me one thing. What can
Yeah,
happen? I'm not asking for your password. I, even if you log
yeah.
in into your
You're just
wallet, it
asking.
will
You're
ask
just
for
asking
your
to.
Face ID.
You're just asking to connect to my computer that has my hot wallet on it, and I don't let people do that because, and this is why I'm pretty confident that I'm not at risk.
I really apologize. Repeat again what you said.
I said that I don't let people connect to the computer that I use as my hot wallet because I don't want to put my holdings at risk. And I,
It will not be on the risk. It will not be on the risk. Reason being, you are not talking to any third person. You are directly talking with a reputed company like Kraken. Okay? So Kraken
well,
is not going to do anything wrong with your customer. Moreover, I'm not asking for your password. I'm not asking for anything else. And once we will be done working together, you can remove that application and I will be out of your device.
no, I don't. That computer, I only connect it to the internet when I want to broadcast to the blockchain or receive something into my hot wallet. So I don't let people
Okay.
connect to it. I connect to the
Okay,
internet
no issues. Okay.
intermittently, and so I'm not going to be letting
Mm.
Kraken, who I don't have a relationship with Kraken. You are telling me you're from Kraken, but whoever
Okay,
sent me
just tell me
that
one thing.
text message could be anybody, and so I'm very careful about that sort of thing. I don't wish to offend you,
Okay.
but I'm very careful about
No,
who
no,
I
you
let
are not offending,
connect
sir.
with.
You are not offending me. I completely
Good.
agree with you about few things that you are concerned about your cryptos, you are concerned about your hard-earned money. I really like it. Okay, and
Uh-huh.
every customer should be careful like you about their hard-earned money. Okay, so
Yeah,
no issues if you don't want me to get connected. Okay, just tell me one thing. Your
yeah.
wallet should be verified with, it should be protected with your Face ID or with your fingerprint. Am I right? And with your password also.
Well, it's what you're talking about, my cold wallet.
Yes.
Yeah, I can use my fingerprint. I didn't have to use a fingerprint. I could have just used a password. But I can access it with either password or a fingerprint. So yeah, it is protected. But look, if I let you connect,
Okay.
if I
Okay.
if I connected my
Mm-hmm.
hot wallet to the internet and let you
Mm-hmm.
connect to my hot wallet, and you found a red flag, whatever the hell that would look like. I don't know what that would look like.
Mm-hmm.
What could you do for me? I mean, if there's a problem,
Then
why
I
would I
will.
have? Why, if
Then
there's a problem with
then I
my
will.
cake?
Then I.
Listen. Hang on. Don't interrupt me. Are you a professional or not? So, what was I saying? If you connect to my wallet and find that there's a problem, why would I want Kraken to be doing that sort of stuff for me? Shouldn't I be talking to Cake instead, Cake wallet people? If there's a problem, I don't quite understand. I mean, Kraken's just an exchange, isn't it? Why are you interested why are you interested in my privately held wallets?
Okay.
I mean, if
If you're
I
done,
was a Kraken
now let
customer,
me.
if I was a Kraken customer, I could understand that you would have an interest, but I don't understand why Kraken
Okay.
has an interest in my private
Okay,
wallet.
let me tell you why I have interest. Let me tell you why we have interest. Reason being, you received a text message and they are pretending to be Kraken. Okay, they are misusing our name. Okay, because
Yeah.
of them, we don't want to spoil our name, so that is the reason I will be checking that message also. Okay, and we will try to track that person who is sending fake messages to the customers and misusing our name. That is the first thing. Okay, and second thing, that if I found anything wrong over there, I can give you warning about it, and then you can move your money to your other secured wallet. This is what I can recommend you. I'm not going to ask you for the password. Even I'm not asking you to, connect your um, hardware device with the, phone or with your computer. I'm not asking to device. Okay. You can just
So,
show me that only, view only wallet. Okay. I'm not asking you to connect your device also. I'm not asking for the password. I'm not asking for anything. Getting me?
so why do I need you to help me move my holdings to a different wallet? I can just create a new wallet and move my holdings
Sorry.
there. I can just create a new
I
wallet
will just tell
and
you
move my
how to do
holdings.
that.
Why do I
Yes.
need Kraken to help me
No,
do that? Hmm?
sir,
How
it
does
is
that work?
not only about you. We are also, sir, it is not only about you also for which we are concerned. We are concerned about other customers also, who may be getting the same messages just like you have received, but you are a smart guy who contacted us and reported about it. But there is a possibility that they might have contacted that wrong person and might got scammed by them. Okay, so it doesn't happen with other customers also. That is the thing we want, and we are just trying to catch that person who is misusing her name and sending messages to the customer just like you and pretending to be a Kraken. Okay, that is the thing. And do you have a hard device? And do you have a physical device for your cake wallet?
You mean a hardware
Yes.
cold wallet?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. No, I don't.
I'm not asking. I'm not asking you to touch that. Okay. When I will be
But
connected, when
I
I will be
don't have
working with
one.
you,
What are
you
you
don't need.
talking about? I told you I don't have one, and now you're reassuring me that you're not going to touch it. You can't touch it. I don't have one.
Okay. Okay. If you don't have, and even I'm not asking for about your password. You don't need to share the password of your cake wallet with me. You don't have to. Uh, even I'm not
That
asking.
goes without saying, hey. I'd have to be crazy to share my password with anybody.
Okay. No, no. You will not be sharing any password. Do you have that seed phrase with you, with the help of which also I can validate?
Say that again. I didn't understand what you said.
Hold on.
Yeah.
क्योंकि रिमोट नहीं दे रहा अब तो सीट पे भी मांगने की बात है हेलो just give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, what I'm asking, okay, so as you told me that your cake wallet is protected with your password or with your biometrics like your fingerprint or with your face ID. Okay, one of them should be working there on top of your
Fingerprint and
password, right?
password. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, fingerprint. Okay. So what we can do? I will not be get connected with your device, so I cannot have the access of your fingerprint. I'm not going to ask for the password. I'm just going to validate the transactions with the help of those seed phrases. Do you have those seed phrases with you?
Do I have what with me?
Seed
Seed
phrases,
phrase.
the 12 words. Yes.
Yeah, the 12-word seed phrase.
Yes, yes, 12 words.
Yeah, I've got that. Yeah.
Yes, if you can verify them, I can easily catch the things and verify those transactions. But you don't need to share the password or anything with me. Only the seed phrase.
So you're a scammer, are you? My seed phrase.
What?
You got to be joking. You want my 12-word seed phrase? Oh my God, that's so
I'm not,
blatantly.
sir.
Yeah,
It
don't try to worm out of it,
sir.
you low bastard.
Your 12 words.
Jesus Christ! What a rancid cum stain on the blanket of humanity's soul you are, eh? Scamming innocent people. You know I'm a 75-year-old man. I'm not. I might be 75, but I'm not stupid. Give me your seed phrase.
Sir, I'm not asking about your password. You don't need to share the
No,
password
you're
as it is
asking
protected with
for
your
my
password.
seed phrase. My bloody password. My password's no bloody good to unless you knock down the door, come in and grab the phone. And I imagine you're somewhere in India, yeah? You're not gonna be getting my phone. So why I can give you the password, it's not a problem. You're not gonna be able to do anything with the password unless you can get your hands on the phone. So you're full of shit, aren't you? Yes, you are full of shit.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah, let me tell you. Go ahead, tell me.
Sir,
That's what I want to hear. Yeah?
sir, with the help of seed phrases, it will be view only wallet for me. Okay, I can just
Say that
view
again.
that, but
Sorry,
cannot touch
just
it
slow down a little
without
bit.
your
Slow down a
password.
little bit. Slow down a little bit. I'm not catching every word you're saying, so it's not really making sense for me. So, what were you saying? Start again.
Okay. If you let me complete what I'm asking, with the help of the
Yeah.
seed phrase, it will give me the view only wallet so that I can see the transactions. But without your password, we cannot touch your funds because it is protected with the password. It is password protected account.
That is bullshit. Password. The password just protects my wallet from somebody getting in and finding out what my seed phrase is. The password is there to protect the seed phrase. So, you you can have the password. It's not going to do you any good because I'm not going to let you get your hands on the phone that has the seed phrase in it. So you want to bypass the password and go straight for the seed phrase. Mate, you're a scammer.
Okay,
Just admit.
if you don't want to, okay, hold on.
Yeah.
You don't want to share that? Just tell me one thing. What is the balance of your
Of course
account?
I don't. And you've
Your
just
Stake wallet?
revealed yourself as a fucking scammer by asking for it. I mean, and then pretending
I'm
that
asking only the
it's going
balance.
to give you access to all of my bitcoins. Bloody hell. Jesus, do
I'm
you
just asking the balance.
do you
I'm just asking the
do you
balance.
trick many people with this approach?
So I'm not asking anything else. I'm just asking what is the balance.
Oh, bullshit. You're asking for the seed phrase. And I wouldn't tell you what the balance is anyway. It'd frighten you. You'd be frightened shitless if I told you what the balance was. So I'm not going to tell you the balance, and I'm not going to give you the seed phrase.
Okay, what's gonna happen if you will tell me the balance? I can tell you what is my balance. What can you do about it?
I don't reveal my balance to people. That's all. Why are you interested in my balance? I can tell you that I read Cryptonomicon back in the year 2000, way before crypto came about. I saw that it was a stupid idea and that it would be just, if it ever eventuated, it would just be designed to fleece people. And then I happened to get Luxembourgish citizenship through my mother in 2009, and I moved to Luxembourg in order to just take part in my Luxembourg and European Union citizenship, opened an account with Swissquote. Bitstamp was also in Luxembourg, and I bought a small number of Bitcoin. I only bought Bitcoin. And yeah, I've added to my holdings, but only when I think it was when Bitcoin became on parity with the
So,
US
what
dollar
is your current
that I
portfolio
bought them.
value?
So what?
What is your current portfolio value of your cake wallet?
Why do you want to know?
Sorry.
Why do you want to know?
So that we can, because you have made transactions from multiple exchanges to the same wallet. So by looking at it, we can understand that yes, if that is the same wallet which we are looking over here, because we know the what is the address, we can see the what is the balance of it. So if the balance will match, then we can understand yes, that is the same wallet which we are talking about. So could you please
Okay,
just confirm me the balance if you don't want to confirm anything else?
okay, I'll confirm the balance. Go ahead.
Okay, please confirm me what is the balance.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll confirm it.
You need to tell me, sir.
No, you need to tell me. Tell me in Bitcoin
Why would I tell you?
because you want me to confirm it. How can I confirm it if you don't
So
tell me?
you need to. Okay, just tell me one thing. If I will tell you I have 5 bitcoins in my wallet, what can you do about it? Can you change it? Can you take it?
No, I'm not interested in it anyway. I wouldn't. What would I want to do with it? No.
This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
well,
If you will tell me what is the
you want
balance
it.
of your wallet, what can I do?
But listen, you're not making sense. Why would yeah, I asked you why do you want to know the balance of my holdings? And you said so you can confirm that what you're seeing at your end is the same. And I'm saying, okay, tell me what you're seeing at your end and I will confirm it. If you don't
I'm not
know
supposed
what my
to
balance
tell.
is, I have no reason or desire to tell you what it is. If you know what it is already, I'll confirm that yes, you know what it is. Say what? Hello? You giving up yet? Mike? Come in, Mike. Mikey Wikey. You there? Okay. Bye-bye, Mike. Last chance, Mike. I'm about to hang up. Goodbye.
What a slimy weasel. But then they all are, aren't they? I don't want the keys to your safe, just give me what's inside it. I think he only tried that because I wouldn't cooperate with his other approaches. But I'm not ready for someone to connect to my VM. Maybe later, we'll see. I'll try for another call soon. Stay safe, each and every one. Bye.